To use Apple Pay for the NYC subway, start by ensuring your iPhone or Apple Watch is running the latest software version. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Select the transit card option and follow the prompts to add your MetroCard or purchase a new one. You can also transfer an existing MetroCard balance to your Apple Wallet. Next, add funds to your transit card by tapping the card in the Wallet app and selecting the Add Money option. You can add a minimum of $10 to a maximum of $100. You can also set up automatic refills when your balance falls below a certain amount. To use Apple Pay at the subway, make sure your device is unlocked and the Wallet app is open. Look for the OMNY reader at the turnstile, which is marked with a contactless payment symbol. Hold your device near the reader until you see a check mark and hear a beep, indicating a successful payment. You can also use Express Transit to quickly pay for your fare without needing to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. To set up Express Transit, go to the Settings app, select Wallet and Apple Pay, and choose Express Transit Card. Select your transit card and you are ready to use it. When using Apple Pay for the NYC subway, keep in mind that you can use it to pay for a single ride or to load an unlimited ride MetroCard. You can also use it to pay for fares on buses and at other OMNY readers throughout the city. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and conveniently use Apple Pay for the NYC subway, making your commute faster and more efficient.